Good morning, student.
Good morning, teacher.
Today, we are going to do a simple add and take away fraction.
Yeah!
Could someone tell me the answer for 1 plus 1 minus 1 equals?
Me, teacher.
Yes, nerdy.
101.
No, nerdy. Wrong answer. Next person.
Me, teacher.
Next person.
Me, teacher.
Okay, nerdy.
1 plus 1 minus 1 equals 122.
Nerdy, why did you come to school in the first place?
Teacher, I don't know. Ask my mother and father and my grandma, I think.
Nerdy. Get out of my class with your nonsense.
Okay, just give me my homework. Big boss, wagwan now.
I heard that. You're doing great job back there.
Yes, big boss, respect.
I am busy at the moment.
Food, I man comfy cook boss.
I am going to upgrade you to the kitchen manager.
A long time, if you do that.
Thank you. I have big plans for this month.
With that.
Young man, I say next month.
More money and more honey.
Yard man, get back to work.
Good morning, how can I help you?
Yes, baby. I'm looking for my gal. Sexy lips? Wishy day.
I heard about you and my sister.
Really? What you hear about me?
Oh, stop it, you yachty boys think that you're all easy.
To be continued.